Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here at 11th Avenue, Grace Park, South Caloocan City. Ito po yung frontage. Naglalaro lang po ng more than 12 meters to. From here hanggang doon. 180 square meter ang lot area. Ayan po, ito yung kabuuan. From SM Grand Central, 21 minutes 1.5 kilometers. Our Lady of Greece, 16 minutes 1.2 kilometers. Ano pa ba? Cloverleaf Ayala Mall, 14 minutes 950 meters away. Ayan po yan. Facing east, pwede siyang warehouse, 180 square meter. Ano na siya? Regular shape na siya, oh. Ito po siya. Ito tayo dito. 180 square meter, more than 12 meters ang frontage. Ayan. Ayan po. Mas malapit sa Bonifacio Avenue, Bonifacio. I'm here at 11th Avenue, South Caloocan, Grace Park. Facing east. Ano po?